Hi, my name is Ethan, and today I'm gonna make a Lego wind turbine. Actually, two of them. And I know it's been a long time since I've made this video, so it's been like 1 year. But let's get started with today's video. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make a wind turbine, and for the pieces you'll need this hill piece. It's like a 4x4, but then with these slanted things down, and then you'll need, and for one windmill you'll need two 1x1 bottles and one 1x1 brick. But then there's this thing you gotta put. There's supposed to be a hole in the middle, and then you're gonna have to need this Technic pin. Don't use any other ones, any other color, because then this thing will be stuck on tight and it won't really spin as freely. And then let's get started. So you can put it anywhere you want, but if you're only making one windmill, I don't think you'll need the slanted piece. So then you gotta put these two well stacked on top of each other, and then you gotta get this 1x1 with the hole in the middle, and then you insert the Technic piece into it, and then you can put it any angle you want. I'm just gonna put it a little slanted right now. And then finally you attach the propeller on. That's one, and then you do the same with the next one. Although, I think they don't look that realistic, because these blades aren't like those ones of actual wind turbines, because they should be long and thin, not short and stubby. But I like this way because it's smaller and it also looks cuter.